So food fun finance, we went to Spice Wings, and I went here before and I just really liked it, so I figured we should do a video on it. So we got, open that up. We got lemon pepper wings with garlic fries. You see it? And then what's that? Macaroni cheese bites. All right, so dive in. So my wings are juicy. I got my lemon pepper wet because I like my lemon pepper wet. Parmesan. So I give the lemon pepper wings a 5 out of 5. What you give them?
A 5 out of 5 too.
What about the Chick-fil-A fries?
Oh, I give those a 3 out of 5 because it kind of tastes weird.
Because they got Parmesan sprinkles on it. And then what about the macaroni cheese bites?
A 4.5.
I give it a solid 4. So, Food Fun Finance. Stay tuned for the full review. Boom. So, it's your favorite part of the video, the review. So, what we gonna go over, Magic?
Environment, customer service, food and price.
Let's go. So, the environment.
The environment is pretty. I give that a 5 out of 5.
A 5 out of 5. You talking about our house or the place we just brought the food from? Our house? We talk about the place we got the food from. So it's a franchise, and that particular franchise is located in Loganville, Georgia. And it was a nice establishment. It's right next to the Kroger's, and yeah, spicy wings. Most definitely, environment is good. Inside is clean. I got a couple footage from it and you'll be able to see it. So environment 5.5. Now we're gonna dive into the customer service. So customer service was pretty good. The lady in there was really nice. She helped us out a lot with picking our order. We ordered a whole bunch of stuff, so we tried a whole bunch of different stuff. But the ones that you seen us record was the macaroni and cheese bites and the lemon pepper wings, which them wings was really good. I was kind of shocked. And when I first seen that sign on the establishment, I was like, spicy wings, man, I can't eat there because I don't really like spicy food. So womp womp, but it wasn't all spicy wings. They had a big option of different spices on there. 5. Moving right into the food. I'm gonna let her talk about the food.
The food was good, and I give it a 4 out of 5 because the macaroni bites were kind of small, and also I didn't really taste the macaroni.
I agree with her. What about the wings though?
They were good. I give them a 5 out of 5.
And what you said about the Chick-fil-A French fries they had?
It was nasty.
You ain't like them because of the sauce?
I give it a 3.
Because of the sauce they had on there. So that's another thing too. When you look at the menu, it gives you the options to put different seasoning on the fries. So you have plenty of options. You have like garlic, lemon pepper, seasoned salt, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So that's the cool part about that establishment too. So the food overall, what you give the food?
A 5.
A 5? Okay. I give it a 4. Overall, I think the only thing that threw me off was the macaroni bites. It just threw me off a little bit. But the wings, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. So let's jump into the pricing. It cost $63. What we got was the wing combo that I got with the fries. The only thing that they didn't have that let me down was the fried Oreos. I really wanted that.
Me too.
I know you did. I really wanted it. So we had 3 different sets of wings, and we had some jalapeno poppers and some macaroni bites. And all of them had fries and all of them had drinks. So it was like 3 different combos, and I think it was like $63 or $53, somewhere through there. And I think the price was pretty good for all of that.
I give the price a 4.
A 4? I give the price a 4 too. It could have been better, but you know, quality of the food was almost there. So with that being said, Food from Finance, when you get a chance, go check out Spicy Wings. Bye guys. Make sure, what they gotta do?
You gotta make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And ring the notification button.
Ring the notification bell. What the notification bell gonna do? Keep you up to date with what? All the videos that we dropping every Wednesday and Saturday at 7 p.m. So stay tuned. Eastern time. Cause what? We on the East Coast? We on the East Coast. So bye guys.
Bye.
So Food from Finance, do me a huge favor to keep this channel going, to keep this channel growing. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know anything that's on your mind so we can keep this community growing. Let's go.